Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the Nike Air Jordan 1 Mid Banded 2020, and this one's retail for 110 bucks. The style number is 554724-074. Colorway is black, university red black white. And this one is the men's size 9. So anyway, let's go and then unbox this and then show you guys the shoes. What's it look like? So let's go and then give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. As you can see, this is the bottom of the box. And you got the Jumpman Nike ink in gold. And you got this rectangular sticker right here with the Nike swoosh and air. Swoosh air. And over here it says box made in Vietnam. And you got that recycle symbol right there. Then on the top you got the gold Jumpman. Got the color opening on the lid right here. And then you got the gold Jumpman over here again. Right here is blank. Go ahead and check out the size label. You got another cutout opening right here by the lid. And then number 23 in gold. So the retail price on this is $115 plus tax. And this pair, it is made in Vietnam. There's your retail price right there. And then here's the barcode, the UPC code. Go ahead and unbox this. There's a red stem right here. And then on the tissue paper, you get that number 23 in gold. Then here's the shoes. Wow. Nice. Got the red swoosh logo. And then on the side panel, it is in black. Also around the lace system right here. And then around the toe box. Come with this black lace. Got the red Jumpman and then air on the top of the tongue. You got the red outsole. Then you got the Nike swoosh in the midsection. Midsole, it is in white color. Got the Air Jordan wing logo right here. go ahead and take out the shoes tree. Got the recycled paper right here in Chinese. And you got the Jumpman. Got the two of the recycled symbol right here. And then QF-AL. This is size 9 to 9.5. And you got the die cut sock liner. Yeah, let me go ahead and turn on the light so it's dark in there. Alright, so it's much better. On the inside, you got the red Jumpman with the men's size 9 sticker on there. So here's a size label right here. It might be hard to see. Let's go ahead and cut out the other one. Then here's the other side. Then you got the same thing, red Jumpman with the men's sticker on there. Yeah, I don't think you could go wrong with the Air Jordan 1. Either low, mid, or the high top, so. Well, yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always.